Hello YouTube family. Do you want to learn how to build your list, your email list 10 times faster, and also get tired of, you hear companies like, I guess was it Legendary Marketer get shut down and then your income goes away and or something like that, or you feel like, hey, I just want to give up and build marketing and just do other things. Well, check this out. How about you have a tool that you can use to help you build your email list, so that way you can take your list everywhere you go, and that way you don't have to worry about, oh, this opportunity ain't gonna work and all that and etc. Now I will talk about this opportunity that I'm being in since last year. It's called Limitless lead system. I've been in this one going since last year. I got one lead but no sales yet, but this program is awesome. The owner, he does training, and tonight he got a Zoom meeting on talking about his new product that he's launching, where it's more a direct commissions and not a 30-day. You got to wait for 30 days for your payment to go through. It's more direct, which is instant. So that's something that I'm excited about tonight on the Zoom meeting. So, but anyways, let's talk about Limitless lead system. Let's talk about why it's so great. Why it's low in the low competition. Why a few people not talking about it besides me. All right, I'm gonna tell you why. Number one, they chase out noises. There's a lot of noises going on in this marketing, in this industry, and when there's noises, then there's other things, and we know what happens. Noises get loud. It's harder for people to promote their opportunities because everybody wants to promote whatever they want to promote. And secondly is the guru hype. They follow their gurus and etc. This is not bashing the gurus or anything. It's just reasons why people are not promoting low competition, and why I'm trying my best to do that. And thirdly is lack of confidence and stuff, and personality, whatever there's going on. So that's another thing. But yeah, that's the reason why people are promoting not promoting opportunities they know they can get results in. Now, what's in the background is a limitless lead system. A lot. AI training, 30-day blueprint plan, tools like a lead capture page, a lead magnet, a bridge page, and plus commissions are very great. And you got low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket prices in the back office, which is all the basic, the pro, and the finders. And there's also a free membership where you could just come in for free and test out the system, and commissions from there. So this is awesome. This is nice. You don't have to own the products to get the commissions. You could just earn. So you earn 50% of that commission, which is you can scale up, and then you like it, then you can upgrade to one of the recurring the two recurring products, and the one-time high ticket commission, high ticket product, excuse me. So that's a nice thing about it. Now, the disclaimer: there's no guarantees of income. The income is gonna be based on your work ethics and how much effort you put into. So we got to get that out the way, so that way we're not getting in trouble or anything. So that's the disclaimer I'd say, and along with the way I was talking about with the limitless lead system. So if you like to close this out, there will be a link in the description. If you click that, there's no it's free of charge. I get a commission, so you click that, it's free of charge. I won't charge you with it. So so just click that link below. It'll take you to Limitless lead system, tell you what it's about. You put in your personal information and then go to the next steps. And then secondly, follow me on my social media platforms, like Facebook, etc. And I see some of you people are not subscribed. I think what 50% or 80% of you are not subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe to my channel, so that way I can keep pushing out content like this. But anyways, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the back office, and I'll also see you guys in the next video. Let's go. Let's get it done. Take care, everyone.